You know, I'm going to be judged by all kinds of organizations and others. The determination I make when I vote is to look at what's in the best interest of our district and what's going to help the people that we represent and is going to make things work in our region. I think I've been very responsible in the terms of making tough decisions on spending and some of the other issues. But when it comes to matters that are significant here, let me give you an example. I stood up and supported the idea that we've got to continue to allow mass transit to be something that is supported in the highway bill. That would be an issue that would be people in some circles might hold against. But if we cut mass transit out of the highway bill and leave it on its own, it's going to have a huge impact, not just on transportation, but employment in our region and areas like us that are you know, have high population density. We had to fight for something like that. That's an example where somebody comes and says, well, you know, that's going to get scored against you, but I think it's the right thing to do for our region.
We just have a few seconds left, but a name we've become familiar with over the past few months here has been that of Joe McGettigan, who prosecuted the Jerry Sandusky case. When you were DA in Delaware County in 1996, you gave him a job as your first assistant. What did you see in Joe McGettigan, and what's your assessment of the job he did in the Sandusky trial? Experienced
prosecutor, a guy that knows the case, that steps aside from all of the intrigue associated with the media and other things. It gets down to do the job in the courtroom. You know, he was the principal prosecutor in the DuPont case, and of course the Sandusky is another, I think, job well done on his part, and the whole effort to get away from the media fascination and really focus on the facts and bring the case and get justice done for those victims.
Okay. We know the media fascination will continue with this race. We'll be watching it closely. Congressman, thanks for being with us this morning.
Great to be with you. Thanks a lot.
Good to see you. Our guest on Newsmakers has been Pennsylvania Congressman Patrick Meehan. Newsmakers returns next week at this same time, and you can see us anytime at cbsphilly.com. I'm Chris May. Now let's go back to the anchor desk.